inpatient psych facility that was created back in the late 1800s. You can imagine we have records on microfilm from back that far, and we had paper records that we had to learn how to manage. I'm Tonya Smith. I'm the records manager and privacy officer here at the Utah State Hospital. How they manage records from the beginning, we used microfilm. So somebody had to sit and photograph every single page, and we would send it to the Utah State Archives. They would make sure the film was good, send it back to us. We have to make an index. We would have charts and charts. So before, we had them stacked in rooms on top of each other, and probably a room double this size with charts just stacked around. And then the HIPAA regulation came in. We just have to do something to keep this information more private and secure and manage it. But it was just too cumbersome to keep that up. And so we started looking into other options for document management. Then we started doing Rubex Document Management. Now we feel clean, tidy, and able to retrieve those records that we need in a timely manner. It was very easy to make the transition because Rubex is very user-friendly, built for that. We were able to figure out and get it implemented really quickly. A lot of times you hear people buy and they don't have any support, that doesn't work for their need, and they're kind of stuck. But that's not with Rubex. They're very responsive. For a state agency with a limited budget, being able to have a cost savings of an FTE, a full-time person, was huge for us. We're trying to even get it implemented statewide for other agencies, and they're all looking at Rubex. And so we're trying, yes, we would recommend, and we're trying to move forward with that as we speak.